Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to look at why are your clothes wrinkled after drying them. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The dryer is the most essential way to remove wrinkles from most permanent press and other wrinkle-free clothing. However, sometimes you may find specific garments always come out of the dryer wrinkled. Here are a few tips to prevent wrinkles. 1. To help prevent or eliminate wrinkles, use the delicate or permanent press cycle to get the maximum cool down time. The lower heat of these cycles reduces the chance of wrinkles setting in, and the slower transition in the cool down helps reduce the chance of clothes shrinking. 2. Use the correct temperature and dryness setting for the garments based on your dryer's user manual. While we tend to throw all of our clothes from the washer into the dryer and set it to normal, if there were some items you cared a lot about, it may be best to learn proper drying settings for that fabric type. 3. Avoid over-drying your garments, and remove them immediately when the dryer stops to help prevent wrinkling. Over-drying can also lead to clothes shrinking. 4. Do not overload the dryer, and do not add garments to the dryer once you've started the cycle. If you only need to dry 1 or 2 items, add a few similar sized pieces of clean clothes to ensure proper tumbling. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.